One of the powerful features of Bloop is if a user at one institution moves to another institution, they can take their entire Bloop account, all its certifications, log history, etc., with them to the new institution. This is initiated from the diver side or the vessel operator side. All they need to do is go into My Account from the top right hand setting and initiate a transfer to another institution. This lists all the institutions using Bloop that they can transfer to. Choosing the institution will ask them to either log into their account on that institution's log into their account for that institution or to create a new account. Creating a new account is like registering on the site itself. So to do here is supply a password. The system already knows its email address. And so that creates the account on the new site. There's a consent dialog box here to make sure the user knows that their personal data is being sent over to another institution. Clicking confirm, that's all the user has to do. What happens next is the existing site's DSO gets an alert saying this user wants to move, will you approve the transfer? Here we can see from the DSO side that there's a pending diver transfer under their user management list. The action is to either approve the transfer or you can reject it with a reason. The rejection will be sent back to the originating diver. I've got a tab here on the receiving institution side. Again, under user management, here we can see we've got two potential incoming divers. Let's import Stu McClellan. We get a summary here of the data that's being imported and how it maps to the incoming site's data structure. The original diving authorization and the scientific diver rating appear here. We can see what the details are, and if we're happy with it, we can import it or ignore it. The idea here is that wherever details can be matched from one site to another, we provide that mapping. If something doesn't make sense, it can be ignored. All of the user's data is going to come across so that the receiving DSO gets their entire history of all of their certifications, their qualifications, their diving history, etc. It's like a really rich version of an LOR or a VOT. All that happens is you successfully approve it and then the user is now part of this site.